How to fix GPUpdate Force not working on Windows. 1. Perform DISM and SFC scan as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanup-image/scan healthdism/online/cleanup-image/check healthdism/online/cleanup-image/restore health 2. Rename the group policy machine folder at c:/windows/system32 /group policy. 3. Restart the group policy service. 4. Delete and recreate missing registry.pol. File at c:/windows/system32 /group policy /machine. Then rerun GPUpdate/force command as administration 5. Reset group policy. To do so, run the following commands as admin: rd/s/q%windir%system32 /group policy users and rd/s/q%windir%system32 /group policy update/force 6. Make sure you are using the correct user profile. 7. Contact your admin.